Hi friends, welcome to goforshare.com. Please subscribe my channel goforshare.com. Today I'm going to explain to you introduce to you linksys Cisco linksys ea8500 router. This router is for a very powerful router for range. There is USB port and eSATA port, 4 LAN port and one network port for VLAN ports. You can see the for LAN port is WLAN port, also the power DC wireless resetting buttons. The router is very powerful. The router model number or serial number, this include ea8500 linksys. You can see the model number and serial number, everything the backside. Also you can see the username and password, default username and password in the backside router. There is 4 antennas. They are looking very powerful. The power adapter, 12 volt linksys original adapter. Okay, the I'm just plugging the power. We can just start the router, power on. Just running this router. It will take few 30 seconds for running. The link is upping for the ports. Yeah, this is started router right now. ea8500 router is very powerful. The range is exactly very fast, very long range also. The rest is very fast. The router is very fast. You can use your office and environment. Is very powerful. Let's start configuration this router. Firstly, I just want to go to connection for the linksys router. Okay, there is ask password. You can see the password backside the router. The router linksys 02446. Password is YC. You can see the backside in the sticker. Let's connect the router to via Wi-Fi. Let's see, we can connect first. YC5 HY. Yes, I will start with the router. I can just connect the router wirelessly. Okay, let's browse. The linksys IP address, default IP address is 192.168.1.1. The username is admin and password also admin. Let's set this. I'm just log into manual configuration. Okay, I just forgot to check this box. I have to accept this term and condition. We are going manual configuration. Okay, let's see the manual configuration, how it is works. Okay, login. They will ask your password. Password is admin. Default password and username is admin. We will log into your router, our router. Then let's see what has happened. First, I'm just going to wireless. We can go connectivity first. Okay. Yes. Let's change the wireless name first, because the default name is linksys 024445 like this numbers. Let's edit this SSID name. The dual band, there is 2.4 and 5 gigahertz network name, dual brand. We have to go change the both name. We can change both names same. Home internet, I'm going to change the name home internet. Just apply and click OK. both apply changes okay. Yes, because the connection already lost because we changed the user SSID name. Now you can see the home internet on wireless. Just connect it. We can connect. They will ask password. We can put the password same default password. Later we will change the password. Okay. Click OK. Maybe sometime the when we change the SSID, the network it will yes connected already. Yes, yeah, sure, it's connected. Now we can change settings for the internet settings. We can triple PoE. This is broadband network. I'm just entering this name for example for showing your configuration. You have to enter your username, your internet username, and password. Network service provider. Okay, I'm just entering now the example. It means I'm just showing it to you. Okay, I just enter your name and internet password. Then I just want to click OK, apply and OK. Yes, now it's configured your router. Let's change the wireless password. Okay, the default password the ec5 we're just going to change the password. Okay, I'm just saying SPLF set code 8871. Just change the both side 5G cards, Wi-Fi and 2G, but the both band I'm just going to change these both side. Just apply and click. Just click OK and just click OK. It will take few seconds. Okay. Okay, now we just we have to just disconnect it. This already disconnected because we changed the password. Sometime we have to clear the we change the old password. The password is right now new. Just I'm just ready to connect, but maybe sometimes it will not connect. We have to clear the wireless old wireless name. Just go to wireless settings. We have to just change the name, remove the network. I will show you how to do that. Go to network settings and wireless settings. Okay, I'm just going to remove it. Okay, just remove, just close, and we have to just connect again. Just enter the new password because I changed the password. SPLF Selco is 8871. Yeah, now just is connected. You can see this connection is okay now. Okay friends, just thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for new updates. Thanks, a nice day.